Hey guys, it's me Zara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I decided to tell you all the time I wasn't allowed to sneeze. So, we in the Robin Show are doing collaboration, aka Maya, the owner of Robin, are doing collaboration about the time we weren't allowed to sneeze. So go subscribe to the Robin Show and let's get started. So, our French teacher left because we had French at the first period. Then he came in, our supply teacher. Me and Maya decided to keep his name personal, so Maya named him Mr. Pimpleton, and I'm going to name him Mickey Mouse. So Mickey Mouse came in and everyone started to laugh because he was Indian, and everyone started to do Indian accents, and I'm like, welcome to our class. And I knew this was going to be a horrible day. I knew it was going to be a horrible day. It's a horrible day pretty much every single day with my class. Okay, so Mickey Mouse came in and asked two people why were they laughing, and he asked one girl, and she said, I'm sick. And then he asked one dude, and then he didn't answer, and he's like, oh, Mickey Mouse said don't laugh, and he's like, okay, because that's their Indian accent apparently. So Mickey Mouse so Mickey Mouse had a fanny pack, and that fanny pack was for his glasses. It was for his glasses, and then he took his glasses out, put them on, and said, do you have your math interactive notebook? He asked my friend Emma, and then she didn't know what the math interactive notebook, and he was like, math interactive notebook. Let me just move the camera a little down. Math interactive notebook, and then she didn't know what it was, and then he asked me, and I'm like, I don't know. And then one girl said, oh, this is a math interactive notebook. He took the book from the class and opened it and read over it with his glasses on. Then Mickey Mouse took the teacher copy, opened it up, and put it underneath the Elmo, and said, write this down. And then write this down, and then some people were like, we already wrote this down, and I'm like, shut up, Zara. And then he's like, okay, if you wrote that, then don't write it down. But if you didn't write that, then write it down, or something like that. And then my hair, look, I can't stop playing with my hair. Please make this the thumbnail. So, he took the teacher's copy and we written it down, and then he started to hand us the math worksheets, and then we started to do the math worksheets, and then he was walking around looking at our work, and he said, if you're stuck on a question, ask me, I'll help you. And I'm like, no. And I got stuck on a question, and I'm like, sorry, just look at that dude or look at that girl. Don't ask for help because, like, he was a tough teacher. Am I bleeding? No. It looks like I'll be bleeding, like my gums are bleeding. So, then he was walking around in like the middle of the classroom, and then somebody sneezed, and then everyone said bless you, like bless you. And then he said, don't say bless you, don't say bless you. You don't need to say bless you. God has already blessed you. God has already blessed me. He shouldn't have said that. Oh no, he shouldn't have said that, because it got worse. And then it was recess time, and he was wearing like the teacher's orange slash, for like we could see the teacher, and sometimes it's a jacket, but he wore a slash. It's very funny. Oh God, I'm bleeding. I feel like my gums are bleeding. It looks like my gums are bleeding. It looks like my gums are bleeding, but they're not. Help me. And then after recess, we had math again, and we needed to do math the groups. But after recess, somebody told me, if you sneeze, you'll be sent to the office. If I sneezed, And then the principal called my teacher saying, yes, your child, Zara, she sneezed and she got in trouble, so like, we need to tell you that. And then my parents would be like, I guarantee they will walk out the house and go to my school and slap my supply teacher 1,000,000,000 times till a tooth falls out. And then it was we had math groups, and then there was one group that said work with the teacher. It's like, God, I didn't work with the teacher. But the nice thing is that he let us sit with our friends. That's nice. Huh. Yeah, but he was trying to call one girl, but she wasn't paying attention. And then he's like, girl, come. But Mickey Mouse said her name. I can't even talk. Like, hello, people, I can't talk. He was trying to call her name, so like, Daniela, pretend the girl's name was Danielle. Daniela, come! Daniela, come! And then one kid in the group said, Daniela, come! And then he got so pissed, and he said, no, did I ask you to help? No. So if I asked you to help, then you would say something, or da-da-da-da. And then the dude started to cry, and I'm like, I guarantee I will slap him until a tooth comes out. How dare you? If you're carrying like 1,000,000,000 grocery bags and you're like, hey, can you please help me? I'll be like, talk to the llama. Get it? Cause like, that's the llama said. Talk to the llama. And then after the groups, we went to music class, and we're outside, like our classroom's outside. We're like in this portable. It's like made out of steel. Trust me, like if you go to my school and you're like in my class, then you'll know it's like made out of steel. And yeah. And then we were outside, and I needed to go to the bathroom with a girl because we have to go to the bathroom with someone. And then we came back. She put like the key and everything away, and then I went with my best friend, Monster. Monster isn't actually her real name, but that's just her YouTube name. Shout out to you, Monster. Hopefully you get better. You're my bestie. Anyways, I went with my friend Monster, my best friend Monster, and then he got so pissed. He said, no, we're not going outside. And then we went inside the school, and then we were like talking. And then we were inside the school. We went up the staircases, and we were like outside the classrooms upstairs. And then there was this one guy that was talking, and then Mickey Mouse told him to go to the back of the line, and then he made like a funny noise. That made me choke. And then he said, we're not going to music. We're not going. 2 seconds later, we started to walk. And then after music, it was lunch. And then we had our original teacher. Thank God we had our original teacher. Because if we did, oh my God, if we didn't. So, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I decided to do a shout out every time I upload a video. So, when I upload a video, I ask you guys to comment down below something, and you answer it. And then I give shoutouts to the person that comments it. So, in honor of Halloween, comment down below what you're going to be for Halloween. Or if you don't celebrate Halloween, I respect that. Comment down below what's your favorite candy. But if you don't eat candy, comment down below what's your favorite cartoon character. Like and subscribe. And go subscribe to The Robin Show. And bye. Mwah.